Another question from earlier today was, how can I break down my team video conferences into specific projects rather than getting sidetracked onto other projects? So yeah, remote work, we're all in video conferences, we're all in Zoom. Apparently Zoom has some privacy issues. I probably think it's more to do with people giving out the passwords or not using passwords. But if you're in your video conference and you've got a pointless meeting coming up, you've got to remember to stick to the golden rules of meetings. You have to have an agenda. If you don't have an agenda, cancel the meeting, don't even show up. It's going to be a waste of time. Always have your start time and end time clearly understood. Even if you're going to run over or even if you've got to stop early, at the start of the meeting, let someone know that, look, we anticipate this will go over. Or let someone know I've got a hard stop at 12:30. Having those in place will actually allow you to get done what you need to get done. And the final thing for video meetings, which is straight out of the playbook of a normal meeting, is if you aren't taking notes, if somebody's not taking notes, if there's not actions coming out of the meeting, it should have been an email. So always make sure there's notes and discussion points occurring in the meeting. Otherwise, it should have just been an email going out. With those rules in place, when those distractions come up, you can just say, well, let's refer back to the agenda, refer back to the meeting purpose, and discuss the time frame as well, instead of just running over and then every 20 minutes you go over. If there's 3 people in a meeting, it's a big waste of an hour.